In a bid to shift the political ground and the power dynamics, Mnangagwa has been using state resources and various initiatives to supposedly empower the war veterans, which he claims to be part of the broader vision of the country's development and win their support. Sanapena mashoko kuda panguva ino pamusoro aiwa pekuona kwanza mutungamiri wenyika aiwa ari kuzama kuda kunyengerera mawo veterans nokuti vanonyatso kuzivikanwa kuti mawo veterans ndo vanonyatso konzeresa a transition of power or the installation of a leader. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell kuti imwe namuna mobudanya pamuchinzi. Some of his key initiatives funded from the public funds and the resources provided by his cash awash cronies, including Presidential War Veterans Empowerment Scheme. The scheme, accompanied by $50,000 cash splash, was launched on Friday at City Sports in Harare with a combined financial injection of 3.5 million US. The funds will be used to support income-generating projects, provide access to clean water, and ensure decent houses for war veterans. The initial disbursement was 1.5 million US spread over all 10 provinces, with each receiving 150,000 US dollars. It came amid initial attacks on the president by Chiwenga's allies. A further 2 million US will be allocated to war collaborators, ex-detainees, restrictees, non-combatants, and widows of war veterans. There will be a War Veterans Revolving Fund, which provides interest-free loans to support income-generating projects with an aim to expand to 1 million US dollar per province. By empowering war veterans, the government aims to ensure that they are not left behind in the national development efforts, but most importantly, that they support Mnangagwa's 2030 agenda and succession plan to block Chiwenga from becoming president and putting his own successor to protect him, his family, and cronies when he leaves. Mnangagwa's political record is characterized by serious human rights abuses, accusations of corruption, and looting by his critics. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva inoi ari kunyogwa panapa the news okusanyosora kuti mawo veterans aiwa muchiona zvavari kupiwa zvese izvi nyaya kuti the regime iri kutya nonyanya kuti mawo veterans ari powerful ende vari kuda kuti asasapota kana kusympathize naVP Constant Chiwenga. Pinda comment section medu mudzamafukiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.